Hey everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to display the discount percentage instead of sale badge on Shopify. So you can see you can install this sales and discounts apps from the App Store from search bar. Search in here for sale and discounts. And I highly recommend this because you can add custom percentage in here. Like for example, if we add 50% and click on next, add a single product. I'm going to be selecting the pair of headphones over here, and or we can select multiple products as well. So let's just apply all of these and click on add. Now let's just click on next, and you can see we can click on start now and save. All we need to do now is head over to our products and let's just see how it is going to be looking. So just wait for a couple of seconds. You can modify different badges and stuff like that showing up as well. So yeah, we should be showing up in here. You can see currently it is displaying a sale. Now to add a badge, you can also head back to the page. Let me just show you. You can see currently it is now running with the sale, but if you want to have some more storefront features, like for example the label, click on sale label and add in here just like that. So yeah, this is how it is going to be looking, 50%, and can click on sync to online shop, and let's just head back to the online store, go back and just wait for a couple of seconds. You can head over to your products page, and yeah, so basically over here you will be able to see once you turn that on, your label is now showing up. So this is how easy it is to display your label. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.